Welcome back. Production of hydroponics green fodder for eco-friendly and sustainable milk has been implemented in the state. This is the first of its kind in the country. This technology helps in growing high fodder for cattle, thus increasing the milk production and productivity. Watch this report.
Production of hydroponics green fodder for eco-friendly and sustainable milk, assisted by the Rashtriya Rishi Vikas Yojana under Ministry of Agriculture, has been implemented by the Goa State Cooperative Milk Producers Union at Kurti in Ponda. This new technology has many advantages over the green fodder production under conventional practices.
हो जो युनिट आसा 600 किलोचो तो फर्स्ट टाइम ऑल ओवर इंडिया भितर आमच्या गोंयांत अशें आमकां 11 युनिट पायलट बेसिसाचेर म्हणजे डेमॉन्स्ट्रेशन युनिट म्हणून मेळिल्ले आसा आरकेव्ही अंडर आनी हे सगळे इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर टोटल अमाउंट जो आसा तो आरकेव्ही अंडर प्रस्तूत केलो वता.
कितले एस्टिमेट
प्रत्येक ग्रीन हावसाची कॉस्ट एज ऑन टुडे 15,40,710. गोंया भितर हो प्रोजेक्ट कॉस्ट आसा 2,33,00,000.
It was inaugurated by Sanghe MLA Subhash Faldesai. This is first of its kind in the state. Faldesai said that the mechanized farming will help the state to be self-sufficient in farm products.
भायलें दूध म्हणजे भायल्या स्टेटींतलें दूध हाडपाक खुबशे कश्ट पडटात. संप जालो हे जालो दूध मेळना आनी तांच्या डिमांड म्हणजे तांच्या हाजेर रावचें पडटा आमकां अवलंबून रावचें पडटा. ते कितें घालता तो रेट दिवचो पडटा. ह्या गोंया भितरच जर अशी क्रांती जाली जर जाय जाल्यार आमी म्हणजे हरीत क्रांती बरोबर ही व्हायट रिवोल्युशन हेंय जावपाक जाय जाणे करून गोंयच्यो ज्यो निड्स आसात गोंयचो जो रिक्वायरमेंट आसा गोंयचें कन्जम्पशन आसा तें गोंयच्या शेतकऱ्यां कडल्यान पिकोवन घेवपाचें प्रोड्यूस करून घेवपाची.
This technology will motivate the youth to adopt and continue dairy farming.
आणि हे जे प्रोजेक्टां जर पळयत जाल्यार हांगा कांयच ना. पेंट घालून जाय तशें वेवस्थीत तें काम करपाक मेळटा. त्या खातीर आजचो तरणाटो जो दूद धंद्या कडल्यान मातसो पयस वयता काय असो दिसतालो तर अशा ह्या प्रोजेक्टांनी म्हाका दिसता परत तांकां ह्या धंद्याक ह्या हितूंक येवपाक संदी मेळटली.
A reporter from Sanghe, Mayur Naik.
Now news from sports. It was an unfitting sight for any cricket-loving fan. The GCA Academy Stars and Sarvodaya Royals GPL 3-day clash was halted at the 15th over mark on the first day. GCA batted first and were reduced to 34 for 5 when the batting side protested against the pitch and deemed it dangerous to play on. The ground staff is working on readying the alternate pitch and the umpires will only take a call on Monday morning whether to continue the match, albeit losing a day, or to abandon the match altogether.
The 3 days points table looks very interesting. GPL T20 champions Salgaocar Sports Club are sitting pretty and are through to the finals of the 3 days, while Dempo Cricket Club and Sarvodaya Royals are tied on second spot with 7 points. NRB GSA Stars with 5 points can also make it to the finals shall they have an outright win. Now GCA Stars with 2 points are realistically out of contention. In this scenario, Sarvodaya Royals would not have believed the start they had against GCA Stars. The Sanghe-based club had the hosts reeling at 34 for 5, but that's when the GCA batsmen had enough and reported to the umpires the pitch that was playing spoil sport. Physio Ketan Batikar apparently was seen running onto the field 4 to 5 times within an hour as the batsmen received blows repeatedly. Even a few Sarvodaya players admitted the pitch was behaving erratically. Sarvodaya need to win badly to make it to the finals of the GPL 3 days after having a poor T20 competition, but it looks like the bowlers will have to start afresh. There are a few options with the umpires. They are: prepare a fresh alternate wicket and start the innings afresh on Monday at the cost of losing 1 day's play. Abandon the match and reschedule it, but only if Goa Cricket Association agree to schedule it. Abandon with no rematch and Sarvodaya get 5 points as GCA are the home team. Head groundsman and former women's team coach Colin has accepted blame for the unfit wicket and puts it down to the pitch having extra moisture. Nevertheless, efforts are on to ready the alternate wicket for Monday morning. Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Prajot Pednekar from Porvorim.
Saturday's I-League clash between Salgaocar Sports Club and Mohun Bagan was a tale of two halves. Mohun Bagan ruled the field in the first half, while in the second half Salgaocar dominated the possession. Karim Bencherifa hailed Mohun Bagan and called the Kolkata side a coach's dream, while Prasanta Banerjee appreciated the efforts of Maxime Belouet in the post-match conference.
Very, very strong team. I reiterate that when you have in your side Odafa, Barreto, Sunil Chetri in top form, Nabi, Rakesh, it's a wonderful, it's a dream side for any coach, to be honest with you. And I repeat again, I'm very surprised that they're not fighting. They should be fighting with Dempo for the league. We came not only missing key players, but without positive striker. And despite that, even the first half I think it was 50-50, but second half was complete domination of Salgaocar. I think tactically we outplayed them.
During the first half we are playing very good and we have a lot of chances is there. But we are leading 1-0. Second half, mainly in problem in midfield. Nobody is marking to the 2-3 players. Mainly in 45 number, he is the only player to control the game.
Who's that?
45.
Maxime.
I don't know. But these are the problems. Second one is our defense marking covering is not so good. These are the problems. Then that's why they are creating more in the attack.
Our reporter from Fatorda, Sameer Bhatt.
Log on to www.prudentmedia.in if you have missed our bulletin. You can also follow us on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa to get latest news as and when they happen. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media.